Hey guys, this is Dan Does Tech Stuff. Thanks for joining me today. Finally was able to get my hands on a PlayStation 5. This is, you can tell, this is the PS5 digital edition model. Reason why I picked it up is because I don't buy a lot of physical disc, and if I do, I never really sell them. I like how it's symmetrical as well from a design standpoint. This isn't any different than the disc model, besides it not having the disc drive. Um, so let's go ahead and get that unboxed and then see what's inside. It's a big chunky box though. So let's go ahead and open up the tab here. Now this is a pretty beefy system. I can tell already because I've not seen a box this big. Get that out of the way. Alright, so let's take a look. Take a little tab here. Alright. Yeah, it's got some weight to it for sure. Alright, power cable, controller, my PS5 manual here. Put that aside. Okay, so that's where all that stuff came out from. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, so this looks to be the stand that you can put your PS5 whether in horizontal or vertical position. Okay. Got the USB cable here. I think it's USB 2.1 compatible, capable. Anything else in here? Oh, okay. Looks like a USB-C cable to connect your cable to your console for charging purposes. Okay. And our awesome DualShock PS5 controller. Super clean. Alright. Take a look at the console here. Now for the star of the show. Get off some of this eggshell cartons here. Okay. Right, so it's definitely heavy. It's got some weight to it, but I wouldn't say it's extremely heavy. There it is. Wow. Alright, so here's the console. There you go. So it looks like you've got your USB input there. Then you've got a USB-C, USB-A, power. Down the very back, you've got, looks like you can put a lock on this thing. You got your USB 3.0s here, Ethernet, HDMI, and then your power. It's pretty bare bones. You know, it's not bad. It's huge. But there you have it. That's your PS5 digital version unboxing. So what you get when you get everything together, you get the console, of course. You've got your controllers. You get your power cable, USB-C, and then your HDMI. And then you get your stand. Okay. All right. Follow me for part 2.